Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann, and on this channel we talk about business, finance, real estate and life in general. Today I'm in the Waterloo area where we're going to be touring Echelon, one of the newest developments on the block. So we have units here for 670 square feet and we have a beautiful penthouse for 2,800 square feet. So without further ado, let's begin the tour. Model apartment that we're going to be viewing, and it's again 670 square foot. It's a one bedroom, one bathroom unit. It has some beautiful quartz countertops, so come on in and let me show you what the space looks like. So we're here in the kitchen area, and behind me we have beautiful quartz countertops with stainless steel fixtures in the kitchen. Now guys, this unit is going to be renting for 1,100 USD, and if you can look at the space behind me, I'm going to back up so you can see. You guys know, if you've been subscribed to this channel, that I am a big fan of dark cabinets, and this kitchen has that. I really love the earth tone backdrop that they gave this unit. It has a lot of green, a little bit of brown here and there. We also have lots of storage underneath, so I'm going to open it up so you can get a look at the space. We also have storage under the sink as well. And we also have storage in the center also, right? So once we're finished with the kitchen, right, behind my camera lady, we also have the washing area. So we have in-unit laundry on this complex, right? And we also have an inline water heater. So because of how the space is set up, you can easily get a stackable washer and dryer. So come on in and let me show you what it looks like. So there's lots of space for you to do your laundry with no issues. So as we exit the kitchen area, we're going to be in the living room space. Now you can easily put your television on this wall, and right behind my camera lady, you can have your couch. It's a well-lit area. We have porcelain tiles in the space, and this unit also comes with AC units right throughout, as well as a ceiling fan. I really love how they set the tiles in here. I'm a big fan of porcelain tiles, if you know me. If you're an HGTV fan as well, go ahead and comment on this video because porcelain tiles are our favorite. We're going to head outside where we can see the balcony area where you have a nice view of Jamaica's rich greenery. So imagine waking up on a beautiful Jamaican morning with a hot cup of Blue Mountain Peak coffee, some Arkansas fish and fried dumpling, and you're here on your balcony relaxing. I'm pretty sure by that hour the birds will be chirping as well. Guys, you have to check out this space. It has a beautiful balcony that I know somebody watching this video will enjoy. Let's go ahead and take a look into the bedroom area where we're going to be looking at the closet and the bathroom afterwards. So I'm deliberately standing all the way across the room because I want you to see how massive this bedroom space is. So as I mentioned earlier, the unit is a one bedroom, one bathroom, so this will be your bedroom area. Of course, we know it's times where we're working from home, so you can easily fit a small home office in the corner. The bedroom also has an AC unit and a ceiling fan, as I mentioned. And the window, as well as the balcony door that I mentioned earlier, has a 8-foot tempered glass that has noise reduction. It's not necessarily soundproof, but you can easily have quiet mornings and afternoons here. The unit also comes with 4 electrical sockets, so you have no issue plugging in your appliances and putting them wherever you want to. Behind me, we have a walk-in closet with a beautiful bathroom that I'm going to be showing you right now. So the closet has a beautiful Jack and Jill space. Personally for me, I'll need all the space in the world for my clothes, but come on in and let me show you how the closet looks. So on my left, you can have your Jack, and on my right, you can have your Jill. Both of them have a lot of shelf space. It also has room to hang your clothes, and it also has space to store large objects as well, like your suitcases, your travel bags, etc. We also have pull-up drawers in case you want to store, you know, your garments, smaller objects and stuff like that. And we're going to be heading into the bathroom area. Now, this unit has a standing shower. You guys know I much prefer showers over bathtubs, and I'm very happy that this unit has a standing shower. Now, we have a glass door, and we also have modern fixtures in the shower as well. I'm going to actually step in just so you can see how roomy it is. We have a larger shower head, and we have a smaller one in case you want to get some hard to reach areas. Now on this side, we have the sink. It's enough for you to store your toiletries. We also have storage underneath, and we also have a modern toilet behind me. We also have a beautiful mirror on the wall, and on my left, we have a towel rack. So you have no issues installing any extra hooks and stuff like that, because this bathroom comes with the relevant amenities for you to store your stuff. So I'm going to be heading to the penthouse now, but on my way out, I wanted to point out that the bathroom actually has a second entrance. So if it is that you have a guest, this person doesn't necessarily have to go through your bedroom. It's right next to the door. So as you can see, the door is here and the second entrance will be on your left, but the guest's right. We're going to be heading to the penthouse soon. Well, as I mentioned, it's 2,800 square foot, and it's actually on sale for about 420 USD. So let's go and look at the penthouse. So on our way to the penthouse, I wanted to mention that this unit has garbage chutes right throughout, so you don't necessarily have to leave your unit if you want to dispose of your garbage. And bonus, it actually has elevators. So guys, we are finally upstairs, and I'm going to show you this amazing penthouse. So just as we enter inside, we have our kitchen area. Now this kitchen is even more massive than the previous unit. We have double sinks, dark cabinets, again, a beautiful earth tone backdrop with countertop sockets that you can plug your appliances in. We also have storage underneath and also under the sink area. And guys, comment below what you think that space behind me is. I'm going to give you guys 2 seconds. Hopefully you guessed it right by now. It's a pantry space. Now personally for me, I have never had a pantry, but it is my dream to have a pantry, and this one is enormous. So just peek inside so you can see how massive it is. So this is me at the back of the pantry, and my camera lady is standing at the doorway. So let's head back out where I'm going to show you the living room space. So as we exit the kitchen area, I am in a massive living room. So guys, remember this is a penthouse, so it's going to be a lot larger than the apartment complex. So just step back a little bit, Daniel, so that they can see just how big this space is. Hopefully you guys can still hear me because I'm on the other side of the living room. So now we're actually going to take a look at our laundry area and our first bathroom. Alright, let's go. So this is going to be your washing space. So remember that this entire complex has inline water heaters in all of the units. Of course, we already have the installments ready for you to just store your appliances in there. And we have a sink in case you want to do a little hand washing. Once we're finished with the laundry area, I'm going to be showing you the first bathroom. Now, you can easily just use this as a guest bathroom because persons don't necessarily have to go in your bedroom to use this one. And this maintains the same color scheme as the previous apartment. So come inside with me, let me show you how the bathroom looks. So it's a lot bigger than the previous bathroom in the apartment. We actually have the same mirror, similar color scheme and everything. We actually have storage underneath as well. We have our modern toilet, and we have our glass door standing shower. It's the same set of appliances from the previous apartment as well, and we have a towel rack also. So as I mentioned before, you don't have to worry about throwing in any new hooks or installments or stuff like that. So we're gonna exit, and then I'm gonna show you the first bedroom, which is on the ground floor. So this is our first bedroom. Beautiful space, lots of natural lighting and lots of ventilation. So we have a ceiling fan at the top here. Again, this unit also has porcelain tiles like the other unit, and we actually have a fire system. Now I wanted to speak about that briefly because this entire complex meets international standards, ladies and gentlemen. So we have our sprinklers, our smoke detectors, we have hoses on all the floors, and also fire hydrants. On this end of the bedroom, we have a massive closet with sliding doors. So I'm going to open it a little bit and show you what the inside looks like. And we already have our rack installed for you to hang your clothes, and there is adequate space for your shoes and large objects such as your suitcases. Once we exit the closet, we have a massive window right here, guys. I have never seen windows this big personally. I'm sure you can open it and get all of that Kingston breeze coming inside so you can get that nice Jamaican experience. On my left, we have our nice balcony door so you can actually enter from your bedroom, but I'm saving that for last, so hang on a little bit more. Let's go upstairs and look at the other bedrooms and bathrooms. Because I want you to take in the raised ceiling in this penthouse, and I want you to also know that this unit is the only one on the complex that can be modified. Now what I mean by this, you see this floor right here, you can actually extend it in case you want to add an additional bedroom and make the stairway area a little smaller, and then you can use the first bedroom maybe as a home office or a guest bedroom, and then you can have a guest bathroom right there. So we're going to head upstairs where I'm going to show you the rest of the bedrooms and the bathrooms, and then once we're done with the penthouse, we're going to go ahead and wrap up the tour, and then I'm going to show you the amenities on the complex as well. So I'm in the first bedroom. It's a similar space to the previous one, but I wanted to show you the slight difference in this closet. Now we have a shelf area here, and we have a unique type of shelving right here as well. So it's not the same as the first closet that I showed you. The bathroom, however, is still similar. So I'm in the bathroom. It's a similar color scheme as the other bathrooms that I showed you. It has the same mirror, the same type of sink, and the same storage underneath. So this is the master bedroom, and you're gonna see why it's a master bedroom. But guys, before I move on, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We do videos like these all the time, and I'm sure you're loving the whole story by now. So while you're at it, just go ahead and subscribe too, huh? Let's go inside and look at the master bedroom. Now this bedroom has a lot of windows. When I tell you ventilation will not be an issue, I mean that. We also have a lot of natural lighting as well, and it's a massive space, guys. So right behind me, we have a huge space. Now it has its own en-suite bathroom, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you that right now. This, however, has double sinks, all right? So your Jack and Jill closet that I mentioned earlier, you know what? I'll just save it for last. But come on and let me show you what the bathroom looks like. This bathroom has a walk-in shower, okay? A walk-in shower. Look on my right here where we have our door to open, and you can step in, right? We have the same fixtures in this shower as well, but it's much more roomy. And it also has a little caddy installed in case you want to use your little toiletries and keep them in the shower area. On my left though, we have our toilet, right? And after our toilet is the grand finale. So as promised, Jack and Jill sinks. You guys know how I feel about double sinks. And of course, it has to have adequate storage. Now I have a small surprise for you. We have another big surprise on my left, and that is a tub. So you don't just get a standing shower, you get a beautiful tub as well where you can see all of Kingston while you're taking your bath, and this tub is a decent size, guys. We also have stainless steel fixtures here, and we have a massive window where you can just sit back and catch a nice view of the ocean over there. We have Fontana right there. We have 20 South there as well, and lots of trees for you to look at. Now, as you realize, this unit is full of surprises, but I have one more, and I know you're gonna love it. So I'm just gonna end the clip right here, and then the next scene, you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. Hey guys, this is the master closet. Now, I don't know if you watch like Las Vegas house tours or Atlanta house tours, but when I saw this closet, that was the first thing that came to mind, honestly. We have shelf space on the left and right. We have drawer space where you can store tons and tons of clothes. And once I step back, we actually have a seating area, so you can actually sit down and try on your stuff. Like, how amazing is that? Now on my left here, you can have your Jack side. Now he's gonna have his closet, right? And the closet has adequate shelving. He also has his area where he can hang his clothes and similar drawers to the ones I mentioned before. On my right is gonna be your Jill closet. So she also has the same set of shelving, the same area, and the same large drawers. On the back, we have hanging shelves. And the hanging shelves are just so uniquely designed. I have to give the developer a thumbs up, as well as the interior designer for this space, because I just love how the shelves are shaped on the wall. Like, honestly, we have a dark wood backdrop also, and we have towel racks going all throughout the space so that you can hang your clothes. Now, of course, you guys know I'm extra ready. So when I mentioned that this was the last surprise, I actually have one more. So stay tuned, and then you guys are gonna be so shocked about this one. Kingston corporate area from your own balcony. You can even see Port More. I can see the wharf right there. We have our trees, guys. This space, you can easily fit some tables, some chairs, you know, some benches, if it is that you want to entertain and have a little get together, responsibly, of course. Now, we're gonna be heading downstairs where I'm gonna be talking about the amenities on this complex. Guys, this place just has so much to offer. I wanna give a shout out to the realtor, Mr. Rohan Scott. Guys, he's doing a really good job. Like, this place is just so amazing, and he gave us the opportunity to film this complex. Let's head downstairs and talk about the amenities. Hey guys, so just to wrap up our tour, let's go over some of the amenities. So the complex, each unit has in-unit laundry, sound reduction, porcelain tiles, quartz countertops. Each level has a garbage chute as well as elevators. The gym area will have 2 changing rooms for both male and female, and also you have your kitchenette area upstairs in the entertainment area, so you don't necessarily have to transport food from your apartment to upstairs. You can do all of your barbecuing in one place. Once again, thank you to the realtor, Mr. Rohan Scott, and thank you so much for watching this video, guys. We are on our way to 600 subscribers, so be sure to join the family and click the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and tune in every single Monday at 9 a.m. for business content and real estate videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.